Hey guys, this happened to me a couple months ago, back in October. I was going down the interstate, come up on this mowing crew, and as you can see, there's a bunch of rocks on the shoulder. This guy was stuck down the ditch or something, and I believe he should have been able to shut that thing off instead of throwing rocks up on the interstate. And as you can see in this back view, you can see the window blown out, and there's rocks. Here goes the window. And that wasn't the only spot that got hit on the truck. After I had it washed here a while later, there was a bunch of little chips in the paint, all from rocks hitting it. And I believe that's where it got hit. It was on that mirror, and it broke in there. So, and we had to vacuum all that out. Then we put some tape on it. And I did get paid for the side window, and it is fixed. And so I'm happy about that. So, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.